physios, I welcome you all to our channel Physio Vidyapit. We are back with another video on relaxation therapy. Okay, so this is the sixth technique of relaxation. Okay, and again it is one of the most important techniques which is commonly used in our clinics. Okay, so my name is Vijay Kumar and let's get started. Okay, so sixth technique is physiological relaxation. Okay, so this method is also called Laura Mitchell method of relaxation. Okay, as given by the man who used or who we can say discovered this technique. Okay, so it is based on the physiological principle. Okay, so why it is named as physiological relaxation? Because it is based on the physiological principle. And which physiological principle is utilized in this therapy or this relaxation technique? It is the principle of reciprocal inhibition. Okay, you well know about reciprocal inhibition, which means that whenever an agonist contract, the antagonist on the same part of our body get relaxed. Okay, so whenever agonist contract, the antagonist will relax. Okay, then another important term is what is punching position. Okay, so Laura Mitchell said that the position in which body is not relaxed and a different posture is formed as related to the normal posture, and he named it as the punching position. Mitchell identified some stress related posture, okay, stress related postures, and termed it as punching position. So what are the positions that are togetherly forming the punching position? Our shoulders are hunched, okay, like this. Then fingers curled into palm, fingers are curled. Then elbow bent, okay, then feet is dorsiflexed, okay, then torso is bent forward, that is our upper body. Then frowning, okay, eyebrows are up. Then head held forward, okay, forward head posture. Then clenched jaws. Then leg crossed. Then the breathing is also affected, that is rapid breathing with noticeable chest movements. Then lips are pursed, okay, like this, okay, and then the tongue is pressed in upper palate, okay, tongue is pressed on the upper palate. So these are the 12 we can say 12 postural changes that occur in our body due to any kind of stress, and this togetherly is termed as punching position. Now what will be our aim in this technique? We will correct this punching position, and the rule is same. We will do contractions, okay, and again the contraction time we will be using 5 seconds. Then relaxation also about 10 seconds I will be using, because the relaxation time should be more than or either equal than the contraction time. Okay, so in this method we correct these punching position, and so that the individual register this new position. Okay, by doing this technique, when we are making the individual to move toward the normal, that is the ideal position. Okay, for example, the shoulders are hunched, I will ask to move it downward, and this new position will be registered into our cortex and the posture will be corrected. Okay, so in this method we correct the punching position so that the individual registers this new position of joint and skin pressure associated with them, because these two sense reaches to the cortex. Okay, so the information is given by the joints and skin to the cerebral cortex that yes, this is the actual position which we need to maintain, and these movement get registered in our cortex, and the person have a relaxed posture and there is a feeling of relaxation. Okay, so now directly we will move toward the practical part of physiological relaxation. So this is the practical demonstration of Mitchell's method of relaxation. Okay, so in punching position, our first postural deformity, we cannot say deformity, we can say our first alteration in our posture was hunched shoulder, which means that the shoulders are slightly elevated, वो कुछ ऊपर हो गए हैं. So now to correct it, we will command to the patient to pull the shoulders downward toward your feet. अपने कंधों को अपने पैर की तरफ खींचने की कोशिश करें. Now you can see that the neck length is increased and the space between the ears and shoulders has increased. Okay, and this position is hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 seconds, and then it will be relaxed. Okay, and another thing is that I will ask the patient to depress the shoulders as much as it is possible. Okay, so once again अपने कंधों को नीचे करने की कोशिश करें, करते रहें करते रहें करते रहें. Yes, do it. Yes, now stop. So now you will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so like this you need to reach to the end of the movement. Now for the fingers, okay, fingers are curled. Okay, normally in the punching position the fingers are curled into the palm. So to correct it, we will give command to the patient to push to stretch your fingers and thumb. अपनी उंगलियां और अंगूठों को एकदम स्ट्रेच करें. यस, हाथ पूरा खोलने की कोशिश करें. यस, हाथ को नीचे रखें, उसको उठाएं मत. यस, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. And now we will ask the patient to, we can say, have the feel of this position, and so that the position will be registered in our cortex. Now the third is that in the punched posture or punched position, the feet are in the dorsiflexed position. So we will ask the subject to do the plantar flexion. अपने पैरों को नीचे की तरफ करने की कोशिश करें, पंजों को. यस, करते रहें और कीजिए. यस यस, स्टॉप. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, like this. Okay, so also the jaws are clenched in this position. Okay, so we will give the command to drag your jaws downward, लेकिन मुंह को बंद रखें. Yes, you can see that the jaw is dragged downward. और करें जितना कर सकते हैं. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so also the another change is that our head is in forward head position. So we will command to push the head into the support, that is the pillow. अपने सर को तकिए की तरफ दबाने की कोशिश करें, और करें और करें और करें. Yes, stop here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, and in the punching position our tongue is pressed into upper palate. So what will be our command? Our command will be to press the tongue downwards in the mouth. अपनी जीभ को नीचे की तरफ दबाने की कोशिश करें, मुंह के अंदर ही. यस, और दबाएं और दबाएं और दबाएं. यस, स्टॉप. Okay, so like this you have to do. Okay, so another thing was frowning. Okay, so to correct frowning, we will give the command to close your eyes. Yes, bit tightly, slightly. Yes, so that our eyebrows will move down. Yes, and elbows, to give command to elbows, we will say that stretch your elbow away from your body. Yes, अपनी बाजू को एकदम सीधा करें और बॉडी से थोड़ा सा दूर करने की कोशिश करें, बस. Yes, good. So and now we will give the command to stop, and we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so another change in the position is that our torso is bent, that is our upper body is bent forward. So we will command to push the body into the support. अपने बॉडी को अपने जो ये हमारा काउच है उसके ऊपर दबाने की कोशिश करें, नीचे की तरफ. यस, दबाएं नीचे की तरफ और जोर से. दबाएं. Yes. Good. Okay. So for pursed lip, what we will command? We will command to smile as wide as you can comfortably. Yes. Okay. So for crossed leg, what we will command? We will command to turn the hips or leg outward. अपने पैरों को थोड़ा थोड़ा बाहर की तरफ करें. यस, यस, ताकि वो आपस में टच में ना रहें, सो दैट द एंकल डू नॉट टच ईच अदर. यस, थोड़ा सा और बाहर की तरफ रोटेट भी करें. यस, लाइक दिस. Okay, also the 12th and the last point was that our breathing was altered. It was very rapid breathing with noticeable chest movement. So we will ask the patient to do relaxed deep breathing. Okay, so आप अब एकदम आराम से सांस लेने की कोशिश करें, इनहेल एक्सहेल करें रिलैक्स मैनर से, और अपने एब्डोमेन की मूवमेंट पे फोकस करने की कोशिश करें. इट इज सेम एज द कॉन्शियसनेस ऑफ ब्रीदिंग. व्हाई? बिकॉज वी हैव स्टडीड इट अर्लियर दैट बाय मेकिंग द पर्सन कॉन्शियस अबाउट द ब्रीदिंग पैटर्न द रिलैक्सेशन इज improved. Okay, so this was about the practical demonstration of Mitchell's method of relaxation. So this was the practical demonstration. Okay, so in our next video we will study about the another important technique, which is the Alexander's technique of relaxation. Okay, so till then you keep on studying. Thank you to one and all.